Did you know that you could get paid like $12 for listening to one song? You can get paid for listening to music. I mean, since when is this going on? Like, if I knew this all the way back in high school, I would have been rich today. I would have been a millionaire, billionaire today. I never knew this kind of thing existed. You can actually literally just listen to music and get paid. And you might ask yourself, like, really? Is this serious? I mean, like, I was also asking myself, like, really? Is this serious? Are you going to get paid for listening to music? I listen to a lot of music. I've been listening to music since I was at 5. Like, I've been listening to music for years. So people are getting paid to listen to music. I mean, that's ridiculous. But today, I'm actually here to show you that this thing is actually working and you're going to get paid simply for listening to music. It's as simple as that. And just know that this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to register or anything like that. There's no hidden costs, nothing at all. You don't pay 1 cent for this. You're just going to get paid to listen to music. As simple as that. Please, first of all, like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on all notifications so that anytime there's a new video, you get notified and you can watch the videos. I would really appreciate the support. Comment any question that you do have. Comment them down below in the comment section. Share the video and let's get to it. Now, the website we're going to deal with is actually called Playlist Push. It's playlistpush.com. Okay, so you need to go onto your browser and you can put in playlistpush.com. Okay, once you're here on the homepage, you'll get here. So you'll scroll down and see get paid to review songs. Like, really? Get paid to review songs? That's amazing. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, you can consider adding it to one of your playlists. We pay you to listen and review songs. Like, really? Okay, now check here. Qualified playlist curators can earn up to $12 per song review. That's amazing. You get paid $12, and this is legit. That's why I'm actually showing you this method. I'm going to show you everything, how you're going to go about it. So just make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important step. You want to make sure that you get everything I tell you correctly, so that you don't make a mess out of yourself. So for example, $12 per song. If you listen to, for example, 10 songs, you can just do the calculations yourself, like $120 simply for 10 songs. And you've been listening to music all your life. Like, literally, you can start making money for listening to music straight from home. And check this out, there's instant payouts. As you can see here, instant payouts. Request a payout at any time. We pay directly to your bank account. And they also deal with PayPal as well. So if you're using PayPal, you can get the money straight into your PayPal account. Now, what you need to do is, you see, check this out. To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. This is where we need to deal with. Now, what is a curator? Well, you want to go here. Firstly, you actually need real followers on either Spotify or YouTube Music and Apple Music, and you will tell yourself like, hey bro, I don't really have Spotify followers or YouTube Music or Apple Music followers, so what do I do? Well, that's why I'm here for you. I made this video because I know you probably don't have any of these things. So what you need to do, open a new tab, and then you want to go onto reddit.com/r/Spotify. reddit.com/r/Spotify. Then you get onto this page right here. So what is this? You want to join here. Basically, this is a forum where there are about 234,000 members. You can check there's 874 online at the moment. So what they deal with is basically like, this is a platform where people just come here to post their playlists of songs for people to actually just listen to their music. Like, it's just a place where people are actually just posting their playlists. For example, check this guy, he put up his playlist and he wants all the members in the group to actually just like listen to him, and he will easily get followers because there's so many people in the group. Check this guy, he just put a playlist check this playlist, and people are just gonna follow him because everybody's following each other, because everybody wants to support each other on this platform. So what you want to do is you want to create a playlist, and then you want to come over here and you basically want to post your playlist as well in this group. And to qualify as a curator on this website, you only need like 200 to 300 followers. So it's pretty simple to get that in about 2 to 3 days from this forum. So this is a bonus tip that I'm giving you. It's a secret I'm giving you, because this is the method that most of us are using to actually get the followers. People will follow you because people want to also be followed as well. Now, the second website I am going to show you, it's called playlists.net. Check this out. It's playlists.net. This is exactly the URL you want to put in the browser, and then you'll get onto this page. This is another spot where you actually meet like a lot of people that actually post out playlists of music, and they follow each other. Everybody follows each other. So what you're gonna need to do is you want to click on submit a playlist. Check this out. Click here, submit a playlist. So when you hear, they're going to tell you that, hey bro, you must be logged in and connected with Spotify to submit your playlist. Definitely. So you want to click login. So if you have a Spotify account already, you can log in with Spotify, or you can even log in with your Facebook or your Twitter, or you can just create an account. You want to click here, register. So when you click register, it's very simple. Put in your name. You definitely have a name, username, choose whatever you want, your country, and remember, this is available worldwide. It doesn't really matter where you're coming from, which continent you're from. Just put in wherever you're coming from. Put in your email, password, click the box, and click on register. So then when you've registered and you'll be logged in, basically you want to go back and click on submit a playlist, and then you can submit your playlist, and people will be able to have a view of your playlist and follow you, and directly you'll get followers connected to your Spotify. So that's why we're using Spotify. The next thing we want to do is we want to click on a new website called soundplate.com. It's soundplate.com. Sound like sound and plate like plate. Soundplate.com. So when you put soundplate.com in your URL, you're gonna get to this page. And what is soundplate.com? It's just another one it's similar to playlists.net. So basically, if people just posting, playlists of music, so many playlists of music and songs and so on. So you want to click here on Spotify and Deezer playlists. So you want to click here. So when you click here, you will see that everybody's putting up playlists. Lost in Sound, Spotify playlist, What I Play, blah blah blah, Spotify playlist. So it's just a lot of Spotify playlists. So you can just create a playlist and then click here, and you can see here add playlists to SoundPlate. So you will click add playlist to SoundPlate, and then you'll come here. You'll see here grow your Spotify or Deezer playlist with our website and free submission system. So get started, add a Spotify playlist now. Let's get started. So you're gonna follow in the steps. It's very simple. Following the steps. The playlist title, you put it there. The link, the description of the playlist, write a bit about yourself, what's your name, your email, and confirm your email, and then submit a playlist. So when you've gotten that sorted, people are going to follow you. And as I said, for this to make the money, you only need about 200 to 300 followers. So all the websites, this forum and these two websites that I've given you, they're actually just to get you those 200 to 300 followers, just so that you can qualify for here. You can qualify for the playlist push.com, where you actually get the money. So basically that's all. And once you've gotten that, that is when you qualify and you actually get paid to listen to any song, and each song is $12 per song. It's $12 exactly per song. That is what they're currently paying, and it could increase depending on the season. So for now it's on $12, and they pay out at any time. So if you feel like, okay, you've accumulated $100 and you want the money right now, you just request a payout immediately and they'll pay it to you directly. So it's very simple. And remember, here when you're on the playlist push.com, you want to click on sign me up. Because you need to actually sign up to become that curator. So they are going to ask you, where do you live? So you put wherever you're coming from. And then how many followers does your biggest Spotify playlist have? So you're going to put 0 to 1,000 because you only need about 200. And that's about it. A moment you've done that, that's all you need. And remember, even if, for example, you have TikTok and you want to sign up with TikTok, you can just literally sign up with TikTok. If you have from 0 to 30,000, you click on here. So basically, as I said, you don't need many followers to do this. You need about 200 to 300 to actually qualify, and then you're gonna get paid. You're gonna get paid $12 per song, and they're about 800. Let me check quickly for you the amount of curators currently at the moment, and they are looking for more. So I'm gonna just check for you how many there are at the moment. I think it's about 800. Okay, so let's check for curators. Let's check here. We have over 970 curators on our platform and more. Keep joining us every day. So this is about roughly the estimate of people that are making the money at the moment. So you want to come in and join the group. There's a lot of money to be made. That's why they can be able to pay this amount of people. So I would advise you to get on this as soon as possible. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this helps you. If you were able to get some value out of this, I would really appreciate a thumbs up on this video. Comment down below the country you're coming from. Comment down below if you're going to be doing this on your phone or on your computer. Comment down below your name. Spam the comment section. Comment whatever questions you do have. Let's keep supporting each other, and yeah, give this video a like. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to this channel right now. I would really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. And turn on all notifications so that you don't miss any new video that I do come up with, so that you can make more money online. Thank you so much. Cheers.